Okay, so we just know it's gonna be in like the bloopers.
Hi everyone, I'm Vivi and that's my friend Vivian, and we are currently at the Foodie Space Museum. I'm talking to you from this weird voiceover because my microphone was broken during our trip, so there's going to be very limited video with me actually talking unless I was borrowing Vivian's phone.
So Vivi's phone just broke, or it didn't just break, her microphone broke. So we're gonna be using my phone to vlog.
We're on our way to Onezo.
Yay!
So they have very delicious boba. They're doing a photo shoot over there. And Vivian got the, what'd you get?
The milk green tea.
Okay, with honey and taro boba. And then I got taro boba on the side because I wanted to try the strawberry smoothie. And I don't want my boba getting frozen, but then they snow capped it. So they did like heavy cream and then salted cheese, and I'm gonna see if it compares well to Happy Lemon. Okay, first reactions. It's okay. I like Happy Lemon more. That was it. It tastes like a strawberry smoothie. You can tell how nice a place is by their bathroom. This is the outfit today. Just cozy. I love when they do these things. We're not even in the art exhibits yet. We just got to the Broad, and the bathrooms are pretty okay, but they have like a random bottle of Dial soap. And these walls are where we're gonna end up taking our LinkedIn photos.
Isn't it a little late? Shouldn't you Show 'em that you can hold your breath. I heard about a girl buried her dolls and lost her curls. Painted on lipstick red, grew herself up and then she walked into a smoke-filled room. No one could keep their eyes off you. Every little drink or two, or could you be that girl I knew? Walk into a smoke-filled room, a little black dress and mama shoes. Isn't it a bit too soon? Or could you be that girl I knew? Or could you be that girl I knew? Walk into a smoke-filled room, I believe love will follow you.
We just finished changing our tire. There was a nail in it apparently, so it's not because I ran over a curb. It's because the ratchet roads made it deflate. And literally my parents are in Asia right now. We're like 2 hours away from school, and we like broke down in Santa Monica last night, and we took the back roads to drive 2 hours back with like a little donut. And yeah, it's pretty cute. I didn't even know I had a spare tire in my trunk. And yeah, we got it fixed for 15, and now we're gonna go probably get milk tea. Vivian's been drinking like 2 or 3 milk teas a day, and then we are going to go to LA and go to Line Friends and Glacier, and then we're finally gonna study. I don't know what time that will be at UCLA, and yeah, bye.
Walk into a smoke-filled room, a little black dress and mama shoes. Isn't it a bit too soon? Or could you be that girl I knew? Or could you be that girl I knew?
Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands were on. I turned him to gold and it took him higher. Well, I'll be a daydream, I'll be your favorite things. We could be beautiful, get drunk on the good life. I'll take you to paradise.
our last day in LA. Literally just rolled out of bed and we got ramen, and now we're about to enter Tokyo Central Specialty Market, pick up some last things, and we're gonna go home, pack really quick, and then we're gonna get hey Vivian, they're hiring. And then we're going to get one last milk tea